Hello, bonjour and bonjour everyone. I'm Maggie from the Fort Francis Library and welcome to the Sweet Scrap Club tutorial. I think Cody's late. Let's play a prank on him. Shh.
Sorry I'm late. I was just getting the, Oh, did I make it here before Maggie?
Rawr!
Monster!
Oh, it's just me, Cody.
Maggie? Oh, geez, you scared me. But that was a pretty good one.
Well, now that you're here, Cody, we can start on the craft.
Okay, I brought some jewels. Are we gonna be needing them today?
Oh, sorry, Cody. Maybe we'll make you a schedule in the future so that you know what crafts we're gonna do.
That's a good idea. Can I decorate it with stickers?
Yeah, of course. So today we're actually going to be making some paper bag monsters inspired by I Heart Crafty Things.
Is that why you scared me?
I thought it was fitting.
Yeah, monsters can be pretty scary.
I think so too. Well, if we're all ready, let's make some monsters.
Alrighty, so make sure to use a clean surface or paper to do the craft on. This will eliminate any mess in the future. In this bag, you should have one instruction sheet, 2 containers of paint, a whole bunch of construction paper, a template to cut out the horns, the eyes, and the tongue, and a paper bag. Some extra material you will need is a paintbrush, some glue, some scissors, and if you have any, you can use some special serrated scissors. This will make the patterns look a lot more cooler, and it will add more decoration to your monster. Set everything aside but your paper bag, your paint, and your paintbrush. So open up your paint. We're going to be coating the whole thing in a layer of paint. Make sure to let it dry in between the front and the back, and make sure to get under the little flappy part because that's where the mouth is going to be. Oh, and don't forget to do the sides too. Alrighty, so let's get painting. So pick either green or pink to paint the monster. Remember, the thinner the layers, the faster it will dry. I think Cody wants to do green, so you can see him here painting his little monster. Alrighty, so once it's all painted on one side, set it aside to dry. Make sure to wait until the paint fully dries before applying the paint to the next side. Alrighty, so take out your paper, your template, and your scissors. If you want, take your scissors and follow along the dotted lines on the template. This should have the eyes, the pupils, the teeth, the horns, and the tongue. If you're struggling with ideas, you can use the template to make whatever you need for your monster. But it's totally optional, and we encourage you to experiment with different shapes to make a really awesome monster. Now that I have my template all cut out, we can choose the colors for each of the parts. I think I'm gonna go with red for the tongue, and then I think I'm gonna go white with the eye and the teeth. I wonder what else I should do. I know, I'll do purple for the iris. You can use the standard black color to do the iris, but you can experiment with different colors to make a cool looking monster. You can make him look scary with yellow, or you can make him look cool with blue. But I think I'm just gonna go with purple with this one. If you haven't already, grab a pencil, marker, or a pen to trace along the template on top of the paper. now for the body. I think I'm going to do stripes for the body. So I'm going to use my serrated scissors and make a bunch of stripes. You can do polka dots, or you can leave it blank, or you can draw funny little squiggles on it, or words or letters, or if you want, just draw some extra features. Alrighty, so now that I have everything cut out, I'm going to start gluing them to my monster. So first I'm going to start off with the eyes. Alrighty, so if you did what I did, which is make the iris and the pupil, take some glue and stick the iris down onto the whites of the eye. Then once you find an awesome place to put it, put the pupil on the middle of the iris. There we go. So now I'm gonna find a place to put it on my monster. I think I'm gonna put it right in the center. Next up, flip it over and attach your horns. The horns are gonna be on the back so that you don't see them when you look at it from the front. If you apply just a little glue to the edge, then you can stick it up farther on the back and then it will poke up farther. Alrighty, so next we're going to be attaching the teeth onto the flap. So, apply a little glue to the base of the teeth and then stick it on the very edge of the flap. Then that way they'll stick out just like the horns. You can arrange them in any way you want. I think I'm gonna arrange the 3 little ones in the center and then the 2 fangs at the sides. Next up, we'll be attaching the tongue to the monster's mouth. So you can either put it right behind the teeth or on the bottom of the flap so that when you open it, it looks like it's opening its mouth. I think I'm gonna put it right on the top flap though. And now the monster's mouth is made. Next up, we're going to be attaching the polka dots or the stripes onto the body of the monster. So, apply a generous amount of glue and align it onto the body of the monster. Something seems missing. I think I'm gonna give my monster eyelashes. So, cut out a small rectangle of whatever color you want to make the eyelashes into. Then, carefully cut a small line, not going fully across the rectangle, but just enough so that it doesn't cut all the way through. Make sure to curl the eyelashes, and then once it's all curled, take some glue, put it on one end of the rectangle, and then stick it right above the eye.
Cody.
Bye!
I thought this was a really fun craft, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you'd like, take a picture of it and send it to us on our Facebook page with the hashtag Roar.
Are we gonna do the cleanup song?
Yeah, of course. If you're ready, let's sing it together. Clean up, everybody clean up, clean up, clean up. Let's all put ourselves away. All right, we'll see you next week. Bye.